Students, we are going to continue with the topic that is Introduction to Computer Networks. So it is chapter 10 for you. So the chapter 10 is Introduction to Computer Networks. So you people will be clear with the definition. What is a computer network? Yes, what it is? Yes, it is nothing but a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources is called as computer networks. A set of computers connected together. For what purpose they are connected? Yes, to share some resources. So it is called as your computer network. Yes, what are the resources they are going to share? Yes, simple example to say they are going to share printer, scanner and the fax machine. So each and every computer in the network is called as, yes, it is called as your nodes. Okay, then we finished the history of computer networking. So what are the stages it has passed to reach now stage? That is nowadays what stage it is? Till then it has to go a series of changes. So that and all we discussed. Next we discuss the internet expansion. What is the expansion? Just you people tell anyone. Yes, it is your international network. A simple expansion is international network. And next we finished what about e-governance, and the next one it is your e-banking. E-governance and the next one it is your e-banking. Similarly, we have discussed the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? The main thing to tell is, yes, it is wastage of time. It is wasting your precious time. Similarly, next one it is, you people are having lot of unnecessary information. It is going to have lot of unnecessary information. Next we finished the growth of computer networking. We finished the first G, second G till 5G we completed. Next we finished what are the users of computer networks. What are the users of computer networks? What are the users? Yes, there you are going to have the communication, resource sharing, data or the software sharing, and the next one it is your money saving. So these are the 4 uses that we have discussed. Similarly, we are going on with the discussion. That is the first one we finished. It is your network in business. And by now, we are going to have networks at home. We are going to have the next topic. It is networks at home. Yes, in home, how you people are going to use the network? Yes, in home, how you people are going to use the network, and for what purpose you people are going to use the network? Inside the home, why you need a network? Just think over that one. Yes, nowadays each and everyone are having cell phones in their hand. So similarly, many are doing their work in home itself. Similarly, many online classes are nowadays in the net. It is available in the net for you, and you people are staying in home only. So inside the home, you people are going to use many devices. The simple devices, just I told, is your personal computer, your laptop, then your cell phones, your tabs, like that you people are going to use. So for these to be connected at a single place, you people are going to have the network. For these to be connected, you people are going to have the, yes, networks at your home. So instead of having individual network, here each and everything are connected. So inside your home, all your devices are going to be connected. So by means of which it is going to be connected? So it can be connected by means of any device, that is your router, or by means of any data card. You people can connect your devices. Okay, so networks in home can be connected in 2 ways. Okay, networks at home can be connected in 2 ways. So what are the 2 ways? Yes, the first one it is your wired. The next one it is your wireless. First one it is your wired, and the next one it is your wireless. Yes, by the name itself you people can. What it is? Wired is nothing but, here each and everything is going to be connected to each other by means of some cables. Wires means each and every system, that is every devices we can tell as a common. Okay, what are the devices? Already I told you, your cell phones, your tablets, your laptops, then your personal computers, the remaining devices. Okay, each and everything going to be connected by means of a cable, means it is your wired. Wireless means, yes, without any cables you people are going to have the connection. It is your wireless. For that, what example you people can have? Yes, by means of your Wi-Fi connection, you people can have that one. By means of your Wi-Fi connection, you people can have that one. So what are the examples you will be having under wired? Yes, some examples you people can have is for wired. Okay, ma'am. Yes, you people can have the example like CCTV. And the next you people can have the printers, scanners, speakers. These and all to be connected by means of wired. Then wireless, for that you people can use indoor cameras and e-readers. Simple example you people can have is e-readers and indoor camera. So these and all can be connected by means of wireless. This is your example for wired, and it is wireless. Wired is nothing but it is going to have cables. Wireless is nothing but it is without cable for you. Sure. So next we can have the next one. Why you people need a network, or how you people are going to use a network at home? Yes, why you people need a network at home? Is just you people imagine and tell. Yes, for the purpose of e-banking, e-learning, e-governance. Simple to say, for the purpose of e-banking. Okay, why it is your simple and familiar example. So by sitting in your home, you people are going to do all the transactions. So for that purpose, you people are going to use your network connection at home. So what are the remaining you people can have? Yes, it is your e-learning, e-governance, e-health, telemedicine, call centers, video conferencing, digitalization of your memory. So these and all you people can do by means of your network at home. So what are the familiar you people will be having? The first one, main one thing is e-banking. Next you people are going to have the e-governance. Okay, wow. What are the government tasks you people are going to have? Everything you people can do online itself. Okay, wow. Similarly, if you are willing to purchase any medicines online, yes, you people can do that also. So that will be coming under telemedicine. That will be coming under telemedicine. So for these purpose and all, so these are the simple examples covered here. Okay, ma. For these and all, you people are in need of networks. Similarly, you will be having many advantages of using networks at home. For example, you people consider old age parents will be there at the home. No, for them their children will be at some other places. That is, they can be at the foreign countries or at the some other places. During that time, how they are able to serve their parents? Yes, they can place online delivery of products. So they have to place all the online. What else they need, what else their parents need, they are going to place their needs but just by means of online, and the parents are going to have the delivery at their home. So by means of that, they are going to serve their parents. So through the internet, they are going to have food to medicine. So the old age parents are going to have their food to medicine. So all the payments will be made by their children who are at their foreign countries or the distance places. Okay, so by means of this, they are able to serve their old parents. Similarly, what else you people can do? Yes, e-market. You are going to have another one, e-market. What do you mean by? Yes, it is your electronic market. It is your electronic market. Means, yes, you people are going to do shopping online. You people are going to do shopping online. Yes, nowadays everything is available online for you. So from a simple pencil to big car or what else you people are willing to purchase, yes, you people can purchase everything through online. Similarly, you people can have the traveling tickets, services, everything can be done very easily just by means of internet and computer networking. Here, whether there is any geographical barrier is there? No. Here you are not going to have any geographical barrier. What do you mean by geographical barrier? Yes, here எந்த தேசமோ எந்த இதுவோ என்னது கிடையாது, தடை கிடையாது. நீ எங்கே இருந்து என்ன ஆர்டர் பண்ணாலும் எங்கே போய் டெலிவரி ஆகணுமோ எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிடும், அழகாக நீட்டாக போய் டெலிவரி ஆயிரும். ஸோ நோ நீட் டு ஹாவ் எனி ஒரி. எஸ், ஐ எம் ஆர்டரிங் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் கண்ட்ரி, வெதர் த டெலிவரி இஸ் அவைலபிள் இன் மை பேரண்ட்ஸ் கண்ட்ரி ஆர் சம் அதர் பிளேஸ். நோ நீட் டு ஒரி அபவுட் தட். எவ்ரிதிங் வில் பி டன் easily just by means of this online service. Similarly, you people can order for your tickets, that is your train tickets, airline tickets, cinema tickets, what else you people are willing. Instead of standing in a long queue, you people can just sit comfortably in your home and do all the work that you people need. For that, what you people need? Yes, for that just you people need internet connection, and the next one, it is your computer and your computer networking. So this is more important for you people to do the online business or online transaction or online what else you people are going to do, willing to do at your home. So clear with this one. Similarly, what else other things that you people can do? Yes, sitting from home itself, you people can order for delicious food that are available from various hotels and restaurants at a single time itself. Okay, so whether there is any delay in delivering the product, yes, there is no delay for you. So when you people place an order within the time they specified, you will be having your products in your home. You will be having your food items or what else you have placed the order, everything will be at your doorstep. So clear? So these are the topics that you will be having under networks at home. So each and every devices that are available under your home, in your home, will be connected by means of network. So under networks at home, you people are going to have two types. What are they? Wired network, and the next one, it is your wireless network. So for wired, it is going to be done by means of a cable. So wired, it is going to be done by means of a cable. For that example, you people can have it as your CCTV camera, speakers. So these are your few and familiar example. Okay, well, similarly, and the next one, it is your wireless. Wireless, yes, by the name itself, here you are not going to have any wire. You are not going to have any wire. For that few example, you people can have is your e-readers or indoor CCTV camera. That and all will be coming under wireless networks at home. Okay, well, so here this wireless, it is connected by means of Wi-Fi. It is connected by means of Wi-Fi. So the network at the home, what are the services that you people are going to utilize? Yes, it is your e-banking, e-governance, telemedicine, e-health, call centers, video conferencing, or what else you people are willing to do? Yes, you people can do. So by means of this, you people can avoid lot of time and no need to stand at the queue also. Similarly, the next one, you people are able to serve your parents, those who are alone at a distance place. Similarly, you people can place many orders also. For that, just you people need internet and computer networking. Okay, wow, clear with this one? Yes, next we are going to see. Yes, it is your mobile networks. Next we are going to have the topic. It is your mobile network. So already we finished networks in business. Next we finish networks at homes, and the next one, it is your mobile networks. Yes, by the name itself. So mobile networks is the network connecting the devices without cables. Here you are not going to have any cable. It is going to connect everything without cables. Okay, ma. So what are the devices that you people can connect? Yes, most of the devices like mobile computers, laptop, tablet, handheld your computers. Okay, wow. So you people can have your laptop, you can have your tablet, and many examples you people can have. Handheld computers, where are the faster going segments for you? So clear with this one? Yes, mobile network is the network connecting devices without cables. Okay, wow. So that is your wireless. So what are the examples you people can have? Yes, you can have the mobile computers such as laptop, tablet, handheld computers. These are the few examples that you people are familiar also. Similarly, mobile network, by the name itself, you people will be, the network is mobile. Mobile means it is moving for you. So how you people are going to have the connections while your mobile is moving? That is how you people are going to have the networks while it is moving for you. For example, you people are to be at your home abdina, how the connection will be established? For example, you people assume நீ உன் வீட்டில் இருந்துட்டே ஃபோன் பண்ண உடனே that is immediate to your friend, it is calling, ringing for you. How it is actually happen? நீ எப்படி நடக்கு? சரி, நீ உன் வீட்டில் இருந்து நீ டயல் பண்ண உடனே உன்னோட நெட்வொர்க், that is for example, if you people are going to have any BSNL or Airtel or what else network that you people are having, அதுக்கு நேராக என்ன போயிடும்? கனெக்ஷன் போயிடும். அந்த நெட்வொர்க்கில் இருந்து it will be searching for நீ எந்த நெட்வொர்க்கு கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறேன்னு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் யூ பீப்புள் வில் பி வித் தி பிஎஸ்என்எல், பட் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட் வில் பி அட் தி ஏர்டெல். அப்போனா என்னாகும், இந்த பிஎஸ்என்எல் நெட்வொர்க் ஏர்டெலுக்கு சிக்னல் அனுப்பணும். அப்போ அங்கே இருந்து திரும்பி எங்கே போயிடும், இட் வில் பி ரீச்சிங் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட். ஸோ நான் ஜஸ்ட் உனக்கு சிம்பிளாக சொல்லிட்டேன், உன் வீட்டில் இருந்து ஒரு டவருக்கு போகும்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். ஆனால் அந்த டவருக்கு போகிறக்கு முன்னாடி ஆக்சுவலி வாட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங்னா தேர் யூ வில் பி ஹேவிங் அ ஸ்மால் டவர் லைக் ஏரியா. சிம்பிளாக உனக்கு புரிகிறதுக்கு சொல்கிறேன், ஓகேவா? Tower like area, so that is called as your cell. That is called as your cell. From this cell only, then it will be moving to the base station. Next it will be moving to the next part, it is your base station. So how many cells will form a base station for you? Yes, 3 cells will form a base station for you. So from that base station it will be sending signal to the another base station. அதாவது உன் ஃப்ரெண்டோட நெட்வொர்க் எந்த இதில் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னல அந்த பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு போகும். அங்கிருந்து இட் வில் பி மூவிங் டு த செல். அங்கே 3 செல் சேர்ந்த ஒரு பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷன் சொல்லியிருந்தேன்ல, அதே மாதிரி அது எந்த செல்லுக்கு கீழே வருமோ அந்த செல்லுக்கு உனக்கு போகும். ஃபைனலி இட் வில் பி ரீச்சிங் யுவர் friends mobile phones. This is the way how actually the connection is performed. So how actually this is the way how actually a connection is performed. So you people are going to have 3 cells. You people are going to just you people assume here, okay va? So these are the cells you people are having, and here you people are going to have a base station. So 3 cells will form a single base station for you. So these are your cells and this is your base station. Just you people assume. So 3 cells will form a single base station for you. So this is the way actually how the connection is established. This is the way how the connection is actually established for you. So it is happening at the land area only. Although நீ மொபைல் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் உன்னோட டவரோ உன்னோட பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷனோ உன்னோட செல்லோ எங்கே தான் இருக்கும், இட் வில் பி இன் தி லேண்ட் ஒன்லி. அதாவது பூமியில் தரையில் தான் உனக்கு இருக்கும், சரியா? ஸோ என்னென்ன மாதிரி சர்வீஸ்லாம் உனக்கு அந்த உன்னோட service provider கொடுக்க போறாங்க? Yes, they are going to provide voice and data. The service provider are going to give voice and the next one it is your data. Voice na என்னது? Voice messages, data. What else? Net நீங்க browse பண்றதுக்கு data காலியாயிட்டுன்னு சொல்றீங்களா? Yes, that is your data. So the service providers are in charge to provide the transmission of voice and the next one it is their data and other content also. Whether it can be a text message or what else content they are willing to send. Yes, everything will be dealt by your service provider. Similarly, by means of this you people are going to have a wide geographical area. You are going to have a wide geographical area. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு இடம் முழுக்க நீ என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், அழகா கவர் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓகேவா? So similarly, yes, you people have discussed the base station now. So these base station, why you people need? They are used to communicate with one another with fixed transceivers and moving also. Moving means there you people will be having more than one cell during transmission. அதாவது உன்னோட சிக்னலை நீ அனுப்புவேன்னு சொன்னல, ஃபோன் பண்ணுற, அப்போ அது சிக்னலாக போகும்போது கரெக்டாக ஒரு செல்லுக்கு மட்டும் போயிட்டு பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு வராது. தேர் இஸ் அ சான்ஸ் டு மூவ் ஃப்ரம் one cell to another cell, then reaching the base station. So immediately உன் செல்லுலேருந்து என்ன பண்ணிடாது, பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு வந்துடாது. நிறைய செல்ஸ் எல்லாம் தாண்டி there is a possibility to reach the base station. So for this you people can have the few examples like mobiles, tablets, pages, laptops and the mobile broadband. That is, what are the broadband available? Yes, few examples. Simple example is modem for you. So this is the way how the mobile network is used for you. So simple சொல்லிடுறேன், உன்னோட சர்வீஸ் ப்ரொவைடர் என்ன பண்ண போறாங்கன்னா, they are in charge for your voice, data and what else other contents you people are going to send. அதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவங்க இன்சார்ஜ், ஓகேவா? இப்போ நீ அனுப்புற ஃபோன் பண்ற சிக்னல் first it will be reaching the cell. செல்லுல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், there is a possibility to move to another cell, then only it will be reaching the base station. From that base station it will be moving to another base station. ஒன்று அது ஒரே நெட்வொர்க்காக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை பிஎஸ்என்எல் ஏர்டெல்னு சொன்னேன்ல, ஒரே நெட்வொர்க்காக இருந்தால் இன்னொரு பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷன் அதே நெட்வொர்க்கில் போகுது. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா வேற ஒரு கவரேஜ் நெட்வொர்க்குள்ளே போகுது, சரியா? அங்கே இருந்தது எங்கே போகணும், இட் ஹேஸ் டு மூவ் டு தி செல்ஸ், அங்கேயும் செல்ஸாக இருக்குங்களா, அந்தந்த ஒவ்வொரு செல்லுக்காக போய் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பேஸ் ஸ்டேஷன் போகும், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒவ்வொரு செல்லுக்காக போகும். செல்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மால் ஏரியா, ஓகேவா, செல்ஃபோன் இல்லை, ஸ்மால் ஏரியாஸ். Then it will finally reach your cell phone, your friend's cell phone. So this is the way how actually the mobile networks works for you, okay va? This is the way how each and every time you people are making the phone calls, no? So that will be happened for you. Yes, next we are going to see what are the features of mobile networks. We are going to see the features of mobile networks. Yes, under features of mobile network, first you people are going to have the first one. It is your less consumption of power. The next one, it is your huge capacity. And the next one, large, it is going to cover large area. So why it is going to consume less power? Why it is going to have less power of consumption? Yes, here. Less consumption of power is used by mobile devices comparing with a single transmitter or satellite. So comparing with a single transmitter or the satellite, cell phone towers will be more than nearer, it will be nearer, okay va? So only it is going to consume less power. And the next one, it is going to have huge capacity than a large transmitter. why it is, ஏன் அதில் வந்து ஹியூஜ் கெப்பாசிட்டி இருக்குது டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டரை காட்டிலும்? ஏன்னா அட் சிங்கிள் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி கேன் பி யூஸ்டு ஃபார் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அண்ட் மெனி லிங்க்ஸ். ஒரே ஒரு ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி போதும், என்ன பண்ணலாம், இட் கேன் பி யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆர் மெனி லிங்க்ஸ். அதாவது ஆஸ் யூஸ்ட் தே ஆர் இன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் செல்லில் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறப்பல அது என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஒரே ஃப்ரீக்வன்சியில் எல்லாரையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி அழகாக கனெக்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். அண்ட் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், it is going to cover large area than a single transmitter. It is going to cover large area when compared to that of the single transmitter. So here we can add more towers indefinitely and cannot be limited by any horizontal limit. That is, இது மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்குங்கிறதுனால, மொபைலில் இருக்கிறதுனால, தட் இஸ் மூவிங்கில் இருக்கிறதுனால நீ இவ்வளவுதான் ஏரியா கவர் பண்ணுவ அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்கில் லிமிட் பண்ண முடியாது. அது என்ன பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கும், கவரேஜ் ஜாஸ்தியாகிட்டே இருக்கும். எப்படி கவரேஜ் ஜாஸ்தி ஆகிட்டு இருக்கும்? ஜஸ்ட் யூ பீப்புள் அஷ்யூம் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் டூயிங் அ பிஸ்னஸ் ஆர் சம் அதர் பிஸ்னஸ் பீப்புள், தே வில் பி ட்ராவலிங், மூவிங்கில் இருப்பாங்க. மூவிங்கில் இருக்கும் போது அவங்க என்ன ஆசைப்படுவாங்க, ஸோ இப்போ கம்பெனியில் இன்னைக்குள்ள அப்டேட் என்ன, டெய்லி ரிப்போர்ட் என்ன, அதுக்கேற்றாக்கில் நான் என்ன கமெண்ட்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணணும், வெதர் தே ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங் ப்ராப்பர்லி, எல்லாத்தையும் அப்டேட் பார்க்கணும்னா என்னது, they will be simply sitting in their car and they will be having their laptops, otherwise they will be having their phones, mobile phones. Just by means of that one, they are going to check their daily updates or hourly updates they are going to check. அப்போ என்னதுக்கும் மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்கில் அவங்க கனெக்ட் ஆகிருப்பாங்க. அந்த மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்கு இவ்வளவு தான் ஏரியா நான் கவர் பண்ணுவேன், அதுக்கு மேலே இந்த செல்ஃபோன் என்ன பண்ணாது, கவர் பண்ணாது அப்படின்னு அது என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ ஒன்லி ஹியர் மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்ஸ் வில் நாட் ஹாவ் எனி ஜாகிரபிக்கல் லிமிட். ஜாகிரபிக்கல்னா என்னது, அந்த குறிப்பிட்ட ஏரியா மட்டும்தான் நான் கவர் பண்ணுவேன், அதுக்கு மேலே கவர் பண்ண மாட்டேன் அப்படிங்கிறது எதில் கிடையாது, உனக்கு மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்கில் கிடையாது. சிமிலர்லி வென் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் கனெக்டிங் எவ்ரி திங் பை மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் நெட்வொர்க்ஸ் அட் ஹோம், அதாவது உன்னோட கம்ப்யூட்டரை எல்லாத்தையும் நெட்வொர்க் மூலமாக நீ கனெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது உன்னோட நெட்டு கவரேஜ், இன்டர்நெட் கவரேஜ் என்ன ஆகாது, கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு ரீச் ஆகுறது somewhat difficult. To reach each and every computer, it is quite difficult. Although service provider are trying many hard, they are trying many more to reach each and every computer, each and every person. But it sometimes it is a tedious task for them. அதாவது கொஞ்சம் அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. அதனால but it is very easy by means of mobile networks reaching their mobile phones very easily. ஸோ அவங்க மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க் மூலமாக எல்லாரோட மொபைல் ஃபோன்லேயும் என்ன பண்ணிடுறாங்க, ஈஸியாக அவங்களுக்கு ரீச் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிருது. ஸோ ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஒன்லி திஸ் இன்டர்நெட் பை மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப் அ மொபைல் ஆர் செல்லுலர் ஃபோன் ரீச்சஸ் த நெட்வொர்க் ஈஸியர் டு ஆக்சஸ். ஸோ மொபைல் ஃபோனில் நெட் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணுறது, மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க்கில் உனக்கு எல்லாமே கனெக்ட் ஆகி இருக்கிறது எப்படி இருக்குது, ரொம்பவே ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. கிளியர் வித் திஸ் ஒன். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் தேட் யூ பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹேவிங் அண்டர் மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க். ஸோ மொபைல் நெட்வொர்க் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, வெரி சிம்பிள். What are the mobile devices? Mobile நாலே சிம்பிளாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட வேண்டியது, it is your wireless network. Here you people are not going to have any cables. Everything is wireless for you. So mobile, so this network is going to be moved for you. So simple example சொல்லணும்னா, a business person when he is willing to have all the daily or hourly updates, what he has to do? Just he will be in there in his car and traveling. So by means of mobile and by means of this mobile network connection, he will be able to get all the updates from his business, all the update from his company, everything he will be able to get within a fractions of time. So to work with the mobile phone, there is no need to have any computer knowledge, no need to have any computer knowledge. So computer knowledge is not necessary to easily access the internet via the mobile network. By means of this mobile network, no need to have any computer knowledge. Similarly, searching some important points, checking mail, watching the progress, everything can be done very easily. So clear with the mobile networks? Yes, by today we finished networks at home. There you people finished wired and wireless network. Okay, wow. So the next one we finished mobile networks. Under we finished the introduction. Next we finished the features of mobile networks. Under features, what you people are having? Less consumption of power, huge capacity, and the next it is going to cover large area for you. So clear with the topic. What else we have discussed today? Yes, students, remaining we can continue in the next class. Thank you, students.